Hello guys, our dinner for today is carrots juice with milk. Ayan. And then Quaker oats with milk. A little bit sugar. Trip ko lang kumain ngayon. Ang sarap niyan. Good for the tummy. Carrots juice with milk. Napakasarap. Yummy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.